All right, so I don't know how I feel about this, but I got a 2025 Honda Civic with 2-liter K20 direct injected motor in it. Also, they have the hybrid, which is also direct injected. So I don't know how I feel about this, because the 10th gen K20 or 2-liter motor in this thing was great. Port injected, never had any issues with the motor, nothing other than just like, on the 10th gen, just the AC stuff. But that's about it. Like, if you look past the AC stuff, that 10th gen with the 2-liter port injected was a great motor. I've never had to open that engine up to do anything other than just regular maintenance like valve adjustments and stuff. But other than that motor, the 2-liter port injected in the 10th gen was great. But now we got the 2-liter direct injected motor in the 2025 Honda Civic. So yeah, I should title this, "It's a sad day for Honda owners." I don't know. It's gonna be like clickbait or something. But just to show you, they've gone to electronic variable valve timing, and then yeah, EGR cooler. I don't wonder how that's gonna go, because you know how EGR coolers are. Yeah, anyways, this is just brand new car. I'm doing a pre-delivery inspection on it. Yep, direct injected only, not even port injection. All right, since while we're here, might as well show you guys the underside of this, because not a lot of people get to see the underside of a brand new car. Because when you go to the dealership, what you see is what's on the outside, I guess, not what's underneath. So suspension here, they're still going with the that kind of style of a strut. The worst part is when that pinch bolt gets seized in there and it snaps, they're drilling that out. But everything down here is pretty well covered, right? I don't know how well you can see that. It's pretty well covered, right? Yeah, here's your exhaust. There's your electronic power steering right over here. Fuel tank's right here. Everything's all covered up. You got a part of a fuel tank sticking out. The rear multi-link suspension still looks pretty much the same as the previous one. And then yeah, you got some wide open space here. You got the single exhaust over here with the wide open space back up there. And then I made a video about the little beeper module, and they're asking where is it on the Civic. They've never changed. It's always like right there. It's just clipped on right behind the rear bumper. So that's that guy right there. If you're wondering where the beeper module is, it's this guy. That's what makes the beeping noise. If you're wondering, yeah, they're always in the same place. Honda Accord, Honda Civic. Yeah, in case you're all wondering. But anyways, that's it. I don't know. I'm not much of a reviewer, but I'm gonna try. Here's the front end of the car. I mean, the front end looks pretty nice. Yeah, opening. These are actually functional. They actually go. And then there are the openings here to, I guess, for air curtain for the wheels to help with wind resistance, I guess. I don't know what they I'm not an engineer. So yeah, here's the side profile of the 2025 Honda Civic. Yeah, that's it. I don't know, that's just a quick video, but direct injected now. Yeah. Anyways, thank you guys for watching.